Hey y'all, how are you? My name is Heather, and I have always struggled with my smile being the best because my teeth have not always been the best for me throughout the years. Then I came across pop on veneers, and I was like, could this be true? I was like, let me try this out. And so I went ahead and took the step and got my pop on veneers. They send you out a set of 3 molds. You take the molds of your teeth. Don't worry if you don't get a proper fit on your first time. They will send you out another set of molds so you can be able to do it again. So no fear there. They're very prompt about making sure that they send out your veneers right away. Let me just give you a glance of what my molds of my teeth look like right now. So as you can see, that is my top and that is my bottom. Not the best. The thing is with pop-on veneers, as long as you have 4 teeth on the top, 4 teeth on the bottom, you have no fear. You'll be able to be qualified to be able to get your pop-on veneers. Ever since I've gotten them, I've had them for it's been almost a week now. And I've gotten a lot of compliments, a lot of people saying, what did you do with your teeth? And I definitely recommend them. Now let's see my pop-on veneer smile. The top just goes on like this. And then you got your bottom. And there you go. I definitely recommend and definitely think you should do it.